Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do this Y pipe joint of some sort. You can draw the drawing if you want to follow along. Let's go. So you start a new part file. Today I'm going to use something slightly more advanced. I will use a 3D sketch. So start this 3D sketch, go start a line from the origin, go up for a length of 34 millimeters. That's great. Now go further up. This one you just eyeball it now, you're going to put some dimensions later. Now you go right, still on the same line there. Now you need to go out into the distance. Then now you press tab key to switch at the positioning there. See, now you go forward, put your line there, sort it. Now draw another line. Not in your sketch. Activate the line tool. Draw a line, just join these 2 points. You see the snap. Right now, let's get some dimensions going. Smart dimension. From here to the top should be 62.56 millimeters. That's lovely. Going that way, it's 20 millimeters. And going out into the distance, that should be 36 millimeters. Beautiful. Now, we need to turn these two lines into construction geometry. We don't really need them, though. They only to help to assist us with drawing this angle here. Our sketch is fully defined. Let's put on 20 millimeter fillet. We put one there, and another one there. Lovely. Now we close the sketch. Now we need to draw a sketch on the top plane. Go normal to draw 2 circles. One of 15 millimeters. Another one of 11 millimeters. Now select the center of the circle. Center of the circle and our previous sketch relation PS. Now that fully defines our sketch. Close, exit the sketch. Now we activate features, swap post base. Sketch is already selected, we just select the path now. That's your pipe right there. Beautiful. Click OK. Now, as selected, just select the mirror tool. Mirror this across the right plane. Now I got 2 pipes. Now it's all jammed up inside here. We need to cut a hole through to follow the pipe. Make a sketch on this face. Select this circle, convert entities to bring it to our current sketch. Close the sketch. Now you're going to use a sweep cut tool. Sweep cut along a path. There's our path from the 3D sketch previously used. And these two we mirror the cut. we are in the right plane. See, now our pipes are hollow on the inside. And now this top middle part here is a fillet of 7 millimeters. Put another one on the inside here. Get a smooth curve on the pipe. Now sketch a face on this. Make a sketch on this face. Convert entities. Now make 2 more cycles. One of 20 millimeters. The other one is 25 millimeters. Close sketch. Extrude. Extrude the internal circle. Another contour, select the internal contour, switch direction, and a blind extrusion of 9 millimeters. Now again, select the outside contour, or select the sketch first. Select the outside contour. This time you're going to start from an offset of 4 millimeters. Start away at 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters in the other direction, and I want it to go up to the face there, the top face. Lovely. Got this part. I will throw in a chamfer there of 2 millimeters. Now I'm going to sketch on this face. Make this circle here. I want to put it inside the material, so when I'm cutting, extruding, I don't mess up the part on the inside. So this thing will make sure my extrusion stays within the material. Make this circle of 12.5. You can make it anything, just so it stays inside there. Alright, get that. Normal tune. Now I'll do a slot from this center to the other center and just come out. Drop it there, we can define it later. Now hold dimension, hold shift to get the circumference on the edges of the circle. That will be 66 millimeters. Lovely. Now our sketch is fully defined. To put some circles here. It will be 4.5 millimeters diameter. The other one is 10 millimeter diameter. To the same circles on the other side, just put them anyhow. We'll make them equal to the other ones. Now select this smaller circle and this inner circle on this side, relation equal. Next one, the next circle with the next circle, relation equal. That fully defines our sketch. Close sketch, extrude. Now there's a lot of close contours, so just pick. You should be just fine. That, you need that, and that, that, and that. Making a blind extrusion of 6 millimeters in that direction. Lovely. I will throw in a fillet of 5 millimeters. Pick that first edge. Just use this tool here. You should pick all the like edges, like whatever, something like that. But you'll see, you get the point. Now we need a chamfer on this side of 1 millimeter. I said 1, not 2. 1 millimeter. Lovely. Okay. Now need another chamfer in the back here, also 1 millimeter. Lovely. That's beautiful. Last but not least, another chamfer on this side of 3 millimeters this time. This takes care of all the sharp edges. Our part is finished. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.